How to play Please Donate on Roblox. iPhone, Android, PC, setup Please Donate Stand 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through how you're going to play Please Donate. So, all you're going to do is you're going to come over here, you're going to search up Please Donate in the search bar, and we're going to enter it. And once you search that up, it's going to bring you to Please Donate right here. And we're just going to click on this play button. And here it says Roblox is now loading, get ready. So you're just going to go ahead and, get into the Roblox experience. So basically some servers on Roblox are also servers that can be accessed on the online Roblox servers. So you might need to download Roblox for this one. But yeah, all you're going to do is you're going to run it from here. And once you run it from here, it's really easy to set up your Please Donate stand, because your Please Donate stand, you're just going to go to an empty stand, hold E, and that's going to set your stand up. So that's pretty much about it. So that is how you can, set up a Please Donate stand for yourself. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. So that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.